Hello friends, hope all of you are good. So today our video is on SAT and we will be discussing SAT paper number 4, section 3, that is without calculator. So hope you will enjoy it. Keep on watching this. So hello students, today we will be doing SAT paper number 4 and we are doing the no calculator section. So as usual, we have some information given before the start of the paper. You can just have a look at it. This is area of circle, area of rectangle, then triangle, then Pythagoras theorem, then the special right triangles, then volume of cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone and pyramid. Apart from that, the degree measure of a circle is 360 degrees and radian measure is 2 pi. That is, the complete angle is either 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. The sum of the measures in the degrees of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So let us start with the first question. Which of the following expression is equal to 0 for some value of x? See, here we know that absolute value of anything, whatever thing we have, x minus 1 or x plus 1, whatever, either x plus 1, whatever, 1 minus x or x minus 1 or 1 plus x, whatever is there, this is always positive or equal to 0. These all are always positive or equal to 0. So with this idea in mind, we know that these three, because this is positive or 0 plus 1, positive or 0 plus 1, so they cannot be equal to 0. So these are ruled out. Only this can be equal to 0 for some value of x, and that is when x equals to 2, we get 2 minus 1 as 1 and 1 minus 1 as 0. So that is option number A. Going to question number 2. In the function above, b is a constant. If f6 is 7, what is the value of f minus 2? f6 is 7 means when I put x equal to 6 over here, I get the value of function is 7. So 7 equals to 3 by 2 of 6 plus b. It means this is basically 7 equals to 9 plus b. From here, just subtracting 9 from both sides, we get b equals to minus 2. Therefore, the function becomes 3 by 2 of x minus 2. We have just plugged in the value of b. Now we need to find f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 will be 3 by 2 times of minus 2, that is minus 3 minus 2. So it will be minus 5. So minus 5, we have option number A. So today we will be doing around 10 questions and the remaining we will be doing the next video. So x over y equals to 6, then 4 times of y plus 1 equal to x. What is the value of y? It means that we have to just remove x from both of the equations. See, from this equation we can write that x equals to 6 times of y. Just plugging x over here, we get 4 times of y plus 1 equals to 6y. It means 4y plus 4 equals to 6y, right? We have just multiplied this 4 with both of them. And after that, we can just write 4 equals to 2y because I've just subtracted 4y from both sides, then dividing by 2, I get 2 equals to y. It means the value of y is 2. That is option number A. Going to question number 4, let me change the pen. Fx equals to minus 2x plus 5. What is f of minus 3x? See, f of x equals to minus 2x plus 5. F of minus 3x means we have to just place negative 3x in place of x. So in place of x, I write negative 3x. So this becomes minus 2 times minus 3, 6. So 6x plus 5. And this is option number B. So B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? Now here we need to just simply multiply all these three factors. So one thing you should keep in mind that let us multiply the constant first of all. 1 times 1 is 1 and then 1 multiplying by 3 is 3. Means at the end we should get 3. So A is ruled out and D is ruled out because at the last we should get 3. Let us check what is at the beginning. This is 2 times 4, that is 8x square times 3. So 3 times of 8x square should be 24x square, and we have 24x square over here. Apart from that, we have terms with containing x, so I will go with C. If you want, I can just simply show you that what I will do. I will just expand these two factors. First of all, I get 8x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 1. So this will be 3 times of 8, that is 24x square, and this is 6 times of 3, 18x, and plus 3. So you can simply expand and also check the answer. So right answer is C. Next question, question number 6. Which of the following must be true? A minus B over B equals to 3 over 7. Then which of the following is true? Just what we can do, when we have A minus B over B, what we can do, we can simply write A over B minus B over B, right? We can simply split the fraction into two parts. Now, A over B remains as such. This becomes, B over B becomes 1, which is equal to 3 over 7. It means A over B is equals to 1 plus 3 over 7. That is 7 plus 3, so that will be 10 over 7. So the right answer is B. This is the right answer. Question number 7. While preparing to run a marathon, Amelia created a training schedule in which the distance of a longest run every week increased by a constant amount. So this is some sort of arithmetic series, that is when we increase by equal values, equal amounts. If Amelia's training schedule required that her longest run in week is at a distance of 8 miles, and her longest run in the week run the week is 16. Week 16 is a distance of 26. Which of the following best describes how the distance Amelia runs changes between 4 and 16, week 16 of her? Okay, so what he's just asking you, that what is the distance which changes between week 4 and week 16 of her training schedule. So let us suppose that she's in the week 4 she is having 8, and week 16 means she has increased by 12 times, that is 12 equal distances. So this should be 26. It means 12D should be equals to 26 minus 8. It means 12D equals to 18. It means dividing both sides by 12, you should get 1.5. It means that Amelia increases the distance of a longer run by 0.5, no. By 2 miles, no. By 2 miles every 3 weeks, no. This is 1.5 mile each week. So D is the right answer. Question number 8. Which of the following equations represents a line that is parallel to the line with equation y equals to minus 3x plus 4? So parallel line means they should have the same slope. So first of all, I find the slope of this line. So here, if you know the slope, let me give you the formula. If ax plus by equals to c, then slope for this is negative of the coefficient of x over the coefficient of y. So here the slope is negative 6 over 2, that is negative 3. Here the slope is negative 3 over negative 1, 3. And here the slope is negative 2 over negative 3, that is 2 over 3. And the last equation, the slope is negative 1 over 3. So negative 1 over 3. It means that in option number 1, we have the same slope, so that is the answer. See, slope is negative 3. Here also the slope is negative 3. Because when the line is of this form, y equals to mx plus c, then m is the slope. And if the line is of this form, then slope is minus c over b. Next question, going to question number 9. If a equals to 2, what is the solution set of the equation above? A equals 2 means we are getting root of x minus 2 equals to x minus 4. So we will just plug in the values of values in the options given. See here, let us plug in 3. If I plug in 3 on the left hand side, I get root of 3 minus 2 equals to 3 minus 4. It means 1 equals to minus 1. No, it is not equal. So this is ruled out. It means that this is also ruled out. Let us put 2. When I put 2, I get under root of 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 4. That is 0 equals to negative 2. No, this is also not equal. So I should go with t. To cross check, we can simply put 6 in this equation. I will get 6 minus 2 as root of 4 equals to 6 minus 4. Then root of 4 is equal to 2. Yeah, this is correct. So D is the correct answer. Next question, question number 10. If t plus 5 over t minus 5 equals to 10, what's the value of t? Simply cross multiply it. When you cross multiply, you get t plus 5 equals to 10 times of t minus 5. Or you can say multiplying both sides by t minus 5. Now expanding the right hand side, we get 10t minus 50. Then subtracting t from both sides, we get 5 is equal to 10t minus t minus 50. Then adding 50 to both sides, I get 50 plus 5 equals to 90. It means 55 equals to 90. Dividing both sides by 9, I get 55 over 9 as t. So this is the answer. So students, this is how we attempt the question. Why I am doing this? Why I am doing this paper in small bits? Because I just want to show that how you can do each question in less than a minute. Right? Hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video soon. Bye-bye. Dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you so much. Bye.